Hi, this is Mrs. Diacano, and we're going to go over a diagram that shows the diffusion directions for hydrogen, ions, carbon dioxide, and oxygen between the blood and the muscle cells during exercise. The resulting concentration changes affect the buffer equilibrium shown over here in the upper right-hand corner of the diagram in yellow. So let me just kind of review the steps that affect the buffers in the blood during exercise. First of all, the hemoglobin carries the oxygen from the lungs to the muscles through the blood. The muscles are going to need more oxygen than normal because of their metabolic activity is increased during exercise, and then the amount of oxygen in the muscle is decreased, setting up that concentration gradient that we talked about in earlier modules between the muscle cells and the blood and the capillaries. So the oxygen diffuses from the blood to the muscles on this concentration gradient. So the muscles produce carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions as a result of increased metabolism, setting up concentration gradient in the opposite direction from that oxygen gradient. The next thing is the carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions flow from the muscles to the blood via these concentration gradients that we just talked about. The buffering action of the hemoglobin picks up the extra hydrogen ion and some carbon dioxide. If the amounts of those hydrogen ions and carbon dioxide are more than the capacity of hemoglobin, they're going to affect the carbonic acid equilibrium, and this is going to lower the pH of the blood, causing acidosis, which we talked about in a separate module. So the lungs and the kidneys respond to the pH changes by blowing off carbon dioxide, bicarbonate, and hydrogen ions from the blood. So the body has developed this finely tuned process based on the buffering of the bicarbonate and the carbon dioxide and hydrogen ion acid-base equilibrium that handle the changes that exercise produces. All right, thanks for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, adiacano@pcitraining.edu. Thanks.